It's fun. It's a big formation. This is what we train to do. Large formation personnel drops. This is exactly what we did with the 62nd Troop Carrier Squadron back in D-Day and in Sicily and Market Garden. Cameras ready. With combat equipment, typically, if they were in combat, they would be jumping with equipment equal to their own weight, maybe even a little more. That's correct. And you're talking about a long trip also. These troopers today came all the way from Pope Air Force Base in Fort Bragg in North Carolina, making the 2-hour-and-a-half trip here, made it on time and on target.
Guy's just hanging up there, dude.